Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for trading. Find out which marketing campaigns make your phone ring. If your business relies on quality customer conversations, you need CallRail. Match inbound calls, text, forms, and live chats to your marketing campaigns to finally learn what's working and what's not. Track your trade show marketing ROI. Track. Match all your inbound calls to online or offline marketing campaigns. Analyze. Gain the insights you need to spark growth. See every interaction with your ads, keywords, and campaigns. Improve. Knowing is only the first step. Take action on your call tracking data to maximize conversion rates. Integrations. CallRail doesn't just work with 700 marketing tools, it makes them better. In a few clicks, our call and conversion data fuels deeper insights automatically. CallRail goes great with everything: CRM, mobile optimization, bid management, data visualization, web analysis. Report on all touchpoints without platform bias. CallRail objectively tracks the impact of each touchpoint in the customer journey, including ads, organic searches, direct mail, and much more. You can then package that data into easy-to-interpret reports that prove the value of your work to your clients. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.